How to root Samsung J510 2016 version. Go to the link provided in the description, or click on link appearing on your screen currently, to download necessary files. Then copy the downloaded SuperSU zip to your micro SD card. Press install, then select storage. After that, select micro SD card and press OK. Now select SuperSU zip file and swipe to continue. Finally press Reboot System. Your device will reboot a couple of the times. Don't panic, it is normal. Once your device is powered up, look for SuperSU app in the app drawer. If it is there, then you are done. You may subscribe to the channel. If the video was helpful, that is all I can ask for. Thanks for watching.